Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate how to use Comfy UI on your computer with the fastest and completely free way. No more error, no more incompatibility. Google Colab. Firstly, register a Google account. If you do not have a Google account yet, you can register at the official website. Secondly, log in to Google Cloud Drive. You will have some free storage space on Google Cloud Drive, which is enough for beginners. Thirdly, search Comfy UI Colab and copy. You need to use a search engine to search for Comfy UI Colab. This will take you to a new Colab notebook page. Then click Copy to Drive. It will automatically open a new notebook named Copy of Comfy UI Colab. Now this notebook is already in your cloud drive. You can rename it whatever you want. I renamed it here Tutorial. Fourthly, change the runtime. You need to change the runtime if the default runtime is CPU. Click the button and change it to T4 GPU. Finally, run this notebook. Don't forget to check Use Google Drive and Run First Cell. Click Connect Google Drive and Colab will connect to your own Google Cloud Drive. It means you can use codes in this notebook to attach files in your Google Drive. Now wait the first cell complete to set up the environment.
A few moments later.
Well, it's done. Now you can see Comfy UI is already downloaded in your Google Drive. Next time you don't need to download it again. If you want to download some Checkpoint or LoRa, use the second cell. But here we skip this step. The preparations are ready. Next, run Comfy UI on the notebook. Click the Run button on the third cell and wait for Comfy UI to finish configuring. After the configuration is complete, you will see a URL in the execution window. Click on it to enter the Comfy UI interface. Now you can see this is the Comfy UI page and a base checkpoint is already exist. Enjoy your way to use Comfy UI in cloud.